doing Chile. This is not Chilean. It's just striped. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Biz. Have you ever wanted to make anything with Leche de Tigre? Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Peruvian style ceviche with some striped sea bass. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we have our main ingredients for our ceviche. We have our striped sea bass over here, and then we have a couple ingredients here for the Leche de Tigre. Now, for those wondering, Leche de Tigre in Spanish literally translates to tiger's milk. There are no tigers in Peru, only panthers, but I guess it sounded aggressive, so they liked it. So the aggressive flavors in the ceviche. So what we're going to do here is what we're going to need is we got some cilantro, or also known as coriander, and we just want the stems. Just a couple stems. Then we're going to take some lemons, give them a good roll. We're going to squeeze it in. Here is called, it's a paste made from ají amarillo, which is a Peruvian pepper that you really can't find in the States unless you find it pickled or brined. So what we did is we took the brined version of it and we made a paste out of it. Taste just gives a good flavor, gives it a good color. And we just take one nice little tablespoon of it, add it to it. We're going to add just about, what we have here is a cup of fish stock, dashi, or mostly some type of fume that we have. This is a cup of it, so we're going to add a half cup. All right, we're back. 30 seconds later, we have our leche de tigre here. All right, we'll put it to the side. And now we're going to take care of our striped sea bass. What we're going to do here, now I go to my local Asian market and I got my sea bass nice and filleted and deboned and de-skinned already for me. Now, in a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it yourselves. But for timekeeping purposes and video magic, I just decided to just get it done this way. So the first process is just going to cut it in half, right down the middle. Now you don't have to be too careful with this. You're going to slice it on a 45-degree angle. Make sure it goes all the way through. our magic time. We're gonna take our leche de tigre that we have blended up earlier, and we're gonna add it to our fish. Get our spoon here. And we're just gonna let it sit in here for a couple minutes. All right, and we're back. So it's been about 10 minutes, and our fish is nice and I don't want to say cooked. That's not really what it is, but it's ready. So we're gonna take some of this. We're gonna add it to a little mixing bowl here. Then we have some other traditional condiments that go with it. We got some nicely boiled sweet potatoes. Full recipes below. We got some fresh corn that came off the cob. Good. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not a lot. And definitely a little bit of our leche de tigre. And we're gonna toss this here. Toss it around. Put that to the side. We're gonna grab our plate. And I did, just because we're being extra fancy boys today, I did a orange salted caramel sweet potato chip that we're just gonna add right here to the plate. And we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit more leche de tigre right on top of it. Alright guys, so we just finished doing our striped sea bass Peruvian style ceviche with the infamous leche de tigre. Hope you guys had a good time. See you around. Peace. Hey fam, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell on top so we can catch all our weekly updates. Peace.